Welcome back to Car Garage05. Today we're diving into something exciting, practical, and surprisingly futuristic. The all-new Suzuki Baleno 2027. This is not just a simple update. It feels like a bold step forward from Suzuki, blending style, technology, and efficiency in a way that could shake up the compact hatchback segment. At first glance, the 2027 Baleno grabs your attention with a sharper and more aggressive design. The front fascia has been completely reworked, featuring slimmer LED headlights that stretch into a redesigned grille. The grille itself now carries a more premium look, with chrome accents and a deeper, more sculpted shape. The bumper design feels sportier, with larger air intakes that not only enhance the look, but also improve aerodynamics. Moving along the sides, you'll notice a more flowing silhouette, with cleaner lines and a slightly lower stance that gives it a planted, confident feel on the road. The rear of the Baleno has also received a major upgrade. The taillights now feature a connected LED strip, giving the car a modern and upscale appearance. The redesigned bumper and subtle roof spoiler add a sporty touch, while still maintaining the practicality that Baleno is known for. Overall, the exterior design feels like a perfect balance between sophistication and youthful energy. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The cabin of the Suzuki Baleno 2027 feels more premium than ever before. You're greeted by a completely new dashboard layout that focuses on both aesthetics and functionality. A large floating touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering a seamless user experience with improved graphics and faster response times. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity effortless. The materials used inside the cabin have been significantly upgraded. Soft-touch surfaces, refined textures, and subtle ambient lighting create a more luxurious atmosphere. The steering wheel has also been updated with a more ergonomic design and additional controls, enhancing the overall driving experience. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get really interesting. The Suzuki Baleno 2027 is expected to offer a range of efficient engine options, including a refined petrol engine and possibly a mild hybrid system. The hybrid technology is designed to improve fuel efficiency while reducing emissions, making the Baleno more environmentally friendly without compromising performance. The engine delivers smooth acceleration and a responsive driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned to provide a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. At the same time, the improved chassis rigidity ensures better handling and stability, giving drivers more confidence behind the wheel. Another key highlight is the improved fuel economy. Suzuki has always been known for its efficient vehicles, and the 2027 Baleno takes this reputation to the next level. With advanced engine technology and lightweight construction, this car is designed to go further on less fuel, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting. Safety has also been a major focus in this new model. The Suzuki Baleno 2027 comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera. In higher variants, you may also find advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety, but also bring the Baleno closer to premium segment standards. Technology plays a big role in making this car future-ready.